Hi everyone, it's Sophie from Britcent. Today I'm going to be teaching you the difference between two words that students often get confused: by and until. So let's have a look. Looking at by first. As a preposition of time, by means on or before a specific time. So we use it with actions or an event that will happen before a specific time or at that specific time at the very latest. For example, by can be used when you're talking about a deadline for an essay, a project, or an assignment. I need to submit this essay by midnight. I'll send you the file by Thursday. We can also use it in other examples, like she could speak 2 languages by the age of 2, or I want to lose 5 kilograms by June. So it's best to always be specific. You can do this by adding a particular time or a particular time period. For example, could you send me the report by 2 p.m. on Monday? Or could you send me the file by Monday morning? On the other hand, until means up to a particular time. So we use until when talking about an action or an event that continuously happens up to a particular time. You may commonly find this on shop doors. For example, open until 6 or closed until January. This means that the shop is continuously open or continuously closed up to that particular time. We can also use till instead of until, which is a bit more informal, but much more natural when speaking. For example, I'm staying in London till the 21st, or she was studying till 1 a.m. last night. If you're still a bit confused, remember, as a general rule, we use by for a deadline. I have to finish this application by tomorrow. But we use until to talk about duration. The film is on until 8. So hopefully now you know the difference between by and until. Here are some sample questions you can try. I'm so tired. I don't think I can stay awake. 11 p.m. Could I send the report to you tomorrow instead? If I'm not home, 12. My parents will kill me. Don't wait up, I won't be home, late. That's all from me today. I hope this video was useful for you guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again.
Happy?
Yeah, okay. I hope that was useful for you guys. Thanks for watching, bye. Okay. I could do that.
Yeah.
I bet I'll make it up now, but okay.